We're going to turn on our ignition. A few pumps of the gas. Neutral. What is going on, guys? Welcome again to Brailsford Rides for another 1987 Mustang GT video. In today's video, we have something pretty awesome. We met up with one of our subscribers and he wanted to contribute to the channel. So if you guys are new to the channel, this is my 1987 Mustang GT. The car is awesome. We just slapped on a set of Saline SC wheels, staggered setup with 285s in the front, or 285s in the rear and 235s in the front. These are 18-inch rims and they are rubbing, so in a future video we will definitely be rolling those fenders. But man, they look super good. In here we have our 302 motor that's bored out to a 306, and we're rocking the Ford Motorsport valve covers, which I think are pretty sweet. But we have something else that we're going to slap on today, and we had the pleasure of meeting one of our subscribers today who wanted to donate to the channel, and he was kind enough to give us some parts, and we're going to take a look at those right now. So today I met one of our subscribers named Ray, who's a local subscriber. These were some takeoffs of his Foxbody that he donated to the channel for our build. So we got some Coney orange struts. We have a new fan clutch, which I'm actually going to an electric setup, so I'm probably going to do a giveaway with this piece. We have a full gasket kit. Those are always useful. In here we got a brand new water pump, along with thermostat gasket, water pump gasket. We got some modern 5.0 emblems. Those, I don't know, we might switch to these actually. What do you guys think? What's your take on putting the modern emblem? What's your guys' take on putting the modern emblem on the Foxbody vice the old school 5.0? Let me know. Oh, there's a thermostat in there. That's nice. And right here we have a strut tower. Let's pull this out of the way. Right here we have a strut tower brace, which is painted red, which is really nice because that's going to go nicely with the piece that we're going to install right now. So if you guys don't know, Mr. Mach 1's Mr. Mach 1 from YouTube, he was kind enough to sell me a set of valve covers, which I think I've shown before, but these are going to complement the black car with the red interior, the Mach 1 interior. These are going to sit on there nicely. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull out our Ford Motorsports valve covers and swap these on. And guys, I'm sorry I'm so sweaty. I've been pressure washing the house and driveway today. I've been doing a lot of manual labor, so I'm pretty gross. But we're going to go ahead and swap those off, take those off and put these on, and it's going to look amazing. Let's get to it. Alright, so we got the Ford Racing valve covers installed, and they look freaking sick. That red definitely pops with the Mach 1 interior. And just like, the little details, guys. In the MSD box, like the red, all the little red. Engine's got some red on it. I did have to change out the gasket and make the breather work. We do have one more touch for this car. Let's go grab it. So thanks to Ray, we have a strut tower brace. Let's see how it's going to fit. This is going to fit now. Look at that, guys. The red.
I like that.
That is going to be sick.
That looks beautiful.
It looks really good, huh?
Yeah.
We got the nuts and bolts are right here.
Are you going to put the bolts on?
We'll start to bolt it in. Guys, I think I'm actually going to have to drill into my Yeah, I'm gonna have to drill into the firewall and into the strut towers. So like I'm unfortunately not prepared for this. But we're gonna make this thing work because I think it does work. And we'll make it a little more stiff up front, handle a little bit better. But we'll get back to you guys with this project, and I'm gonna take this off right now. Let me know what you guys think of this down below. I think I'm missing some bolts for it too. We'll figure it out. All right, guys. Well, we weren't able to get that strut tower brace installed. I had a big issue that I was working on here. If you guys can see the inner edge of that belt, it's pretty chewed up. Initially, it was on the outer edge. I spun the belt around, but I had additional. So see these big, thick spacers right here. I had those spacers on the inside hugging the pump. So actually, what I had was additional spacers that I didn't need in the wrong spots. They're supposed to be on the outside, and it was pushing the power steering pump pulley off of the water pump pulley, so the edge of the water pump pulley was eating my belts. We fixed that, so the car is now good to go. We got to go get the right hardware, tap the right holes in order to mount up the strut tower bolts, because there are no mounting points on this one. There's a lot of holes, but nothing that I think I can actually use. We're gonna go get some of that hardware later, but right now we're just gonna take the car for a quick ride. But what I want to show you guys, I just cleaned the car, and there's a lot more imperfections in the paint than I thought. I don't know if you can see it, but there's little bubbling coming up here. You got some cracks coming up there. Yeah, a bunch of spiderweb cracks under the clear coat. If you look up on the hood, there's a bunch of little air bubbles or something. I don't know what the heck that is coming up through the paint. If you guys know what causes that, let me know. It reflects real good on the sun though, or reflects real good to the sky though. If I did this, you guys wouldn't even know we weren't looking at the sky. Yeah, some more bubbling here on the wing. Oh, I forgot to clean the back. The rear bumper's got a mini little crack down there. Another one right here. Some more bubbling right there. And I've got an issue with my hood. Even though I have a space up, more spider cracks. Even though I have spacers on the hood, it is rubbing right here on the fiberglass. And I've lifted the strut itself, the lever itself, to get this thing some more clearance up. So I got to figure something out, because this is going to be a problem. It's eating away at my fiberglass and it's going to cause damage. Well, let's go for a quick ride. Sounds amazing. We didn't really get done what we wanted to get done in this video. We were going to install that strut brace initially. Big thanks out to Airaid for giving us those parts. I'm sure we're going to enjoy them, and if what we don't use, we're going to give back to the Foxbody community, and I'm looking forward to doing those giveaways. For this car, guys, as you saw today, and as you can still see in here, looking at the headliner, has a lot of work. So we have a lot to get done before Foxtoberfest. If you enjoyed this video and looking forward to more of the Foxtoberfest preparation, click the like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification for more Project Foxbody videos. Can't wait to bring you more. Stay blessed, stay safe. Take care. Want to hit it?
Yeah.